In every Sattra, there are 4 clusters of residential quarters for the devotees. These are known as 4 hatis. Every hati is in a straight line comprising of different residential quarters. In every quarter, there reside several devotees under the overall guidance and supervision of an elderly devotee who is like a father figure for all the residents. That elderly devotee is called a Borkakoti. All the devotees residing in that quarter considers him as father. Generally, the devotees come to the Sattras in their early childhood. So the devotees are trained and supervised and guided by the concerned Borkakoti, under whose supervision that particular devotee stays in the Sattra. Every quarter is known as a Baha. Every Baha is allotted some amount of land by the Sattradhikar or the head of that particular Sattra. The residents of that Baha have to engage in cultivation in that land and generate income on which they have to live. Moreover, they have to go for education in school or college, and in other time they engage in literary and cultural activities. They are trained in dance and music by the Borkakoti, and also there is a common training for all the devotees in the Sattra. So the devotees staying in the Sattra get to learn from both their Borkakoti as well as from the common Sattra school. Some Sattras have a tool in the traditional ancient Indian style, where Sanskrit is also taught. The Kirtan Ghar is the center of every Sattra. The prayers take place in the Kirtan Ghar, where all the devotees residing in the Sattra have to take part. These prayers are divided systematically in 14 sections. So these are called 14 prasangas. This division was made by Madhavdev, the foremost disciple of Srimanta Sankaradeva. The devotees staying in the Baha, they are trained in dance and music, and after they become expert in dance and music, they are given titles. If it is in dance and music, they are called Bargayan. If it is in instrumentation, that is playing the khol, it is a drum, it is called a Barbayan. Of course, before that they have to become Gayan and Bayan. So this is the tradition in the Sattra, where every devotee passes through different stages and become masters in the Sankari culture. Thank you.